Tired of faded plastic trim making your car look older than it is? We've tested the best trim restorers to find out which products deliver the deepest color, longest-lasting protection, and easiest application. Whether you're restoring weathered bumpers, mirror housings, or rubber trim, this comparison has you covered. Watch until the end to see our top pick, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for all the featured products. Number 1 is the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit, a premium option built for lasting results rather than a quick temporary shine. This ceramic formula bonds directly to plastic trim, forming a durable protective layer that stands up to UV rays and other environmental stressors for over 200 washes, well beyond what typical dressings can offer. Since it's a true coating rather than a surface dressing, it delivers long-term restoration you won't need to reapply constantly. The kit comes with everything required for application, though the process does demand more precision and care than standard trim products. Number 2 is the Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restore, a detailer favorite formula for reviving dull, sun-bleached trim. It lifts away light oxidation, grime, and leftover wax buildup while bringing faded plastic and rubber back to a rich, deep black finish. A protective layer helps guard against UV rays, smog, ozone, water spotting, and other environmental culprits behind discoloration. It comes in a practical 12 ounces bottle and works safely across all trim, rubber, and plastic surfaces. Just keep in mind that severely weathered or damaged trim may need a couple of applications for full results. Number 3 is the Chemical Guys VRP Protectant and WonderWave Applicators Kit, a versatile dressing designed for both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. It comes with a 16 ounces bottle plus foam applicators, so there's no need to hunt down separate tools. The formula works across door panels, dashboards, and exterior trim alike, backed by Chemical Guy's reputation for professional-grade products used by detailers everywhere. Keep in mind that like most dressings, it'll need reapplication more often than a ceramic coating would. Still, for well-rounded everyday trim care, this kit is a solid, practical pick. Number 4 is the Aarovibe Plastic Restorer for cars, a compact 100 milliliters formula that brings ceramic coating technology into an easy, everyday product. It's built waterproof, forming a protective barrier against moisture and contaminants while offering solid UV and stain resistance for long-lasting black trim results. Application is fast, restoring trim in a matter of seconds. The one catch is that, like most ceramic coatings, it performs best when the surface is properly prepped beforehand. Overall, it's a nice entry point into ceramic trim technology for those wanting modern protection in a smaller package. Number 5 is the Wanjao Car Plastic Restorer Black with Sponge, a wallet-friendly pick offering 100 milliliters of Restore plus a sponge applicator, so you're covered without buying extra tools. The formula helps stave off oxidation and staining while leaving behind a protective film on plastic surfaces. It handles faded trim, bumpers, and dashboards with ease. The trade-off is the smaller bottle size, which means you'll likely be restocking sooner if you use it often. Overall, it's a practical, low-cost option for anyone easing into trim care without a big upfront investment. Number 6 is the Tabounts Plastic Trim Restore, purpose-built to bring faded bumpers, trim, and plastic surfaces back to a deep, rich black. Its focused formula is tailored specifically for black trim, so you're getting a product optimized for that exact job rather than a jack-of-all-trades dressing. It also delivers upwards of 6 months of UV protection against ongoing environmental wear, and application is simple enough for at-home use. That said, 6 months isn't forever, so plan on reapplying seasonally to keep results fresh. Overall, it's a solid, targeted middle ground option for dedicated trim maintenance. Thanks for watching our review of the best trim restorers. Whether you're looking for maximum durability, the best value, or the easiest application, there's a great option for every vehicle. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive reviews and buying guides. Be sure to check the description box below for links to all the products featured in this video. See you in the next one.